To like Home Depot or one of those stores, there are a million lawn care products. You're like, I don't know what to choose. I don't know what I need. How do you know exactly what to select for?
Well, you're right. And the thing is, the trend right now is organics. What I'm going to be talking about today are things that are better for the environment and better for your family.
Okay.
So what's this?
Lawn food. So this is from a company called Espoma. This is their organic lawn food. So it is certified organic gardening, and you can use this product. They have a 4-step program like a lot of people like, where you do something in the fall. This video is actually of something called biotone. When you plant something, the roots inside that plant want to expand and grow. With these smaller organics here, right here, they're going to actually feed that. You put this in before you plant, and it draws the roots out, and it creates these microbes. You know when you eat yogurt, they're like live active cultures? It's almost like yogurt for your plants.
So do you use different ones for different veggies?
You do. Tomatoes. So tomatoes, a lot of people like to plant tomatoes. The Tomato Tone product right here is awesome. What it does there, it's full of calcium. Think about your bones, right? We want to drink milk and have calcium. It creates more calcium, which makes more flowers, and then ultimately more fruit and a stronger plant.
Now, what are these? What are these things?
So this is another company from Bonide. This is an organic for treatment on things like you want to take care of weeds, right? So if you want to take care of weeds, this one back here is what they call a dead bug weed killer that you can either put on a garden hose or you can spray there, and it won't kill the lawn, but it will kill the weeds, right?
Then they get down there and pull the weeds out?
Well, you should. I mean, a lot of that's really organic. Then when it comes to problems where you have bugs on the plants, a lot of people will use harsh chemicals there. This is a couple of them here. This is the Captain Jack's Dead Bug Brew, which I really like, and it creates it kind of coats the plant and it smothers any of the mites and things that be eating the plant. And then this oil, this neem oil here, is an all-natural product, does the same thing. It coats the plant, safe to use. What I like about this is you can use it on fruits and vegetables.
I was going to say, you can still
eat. You can eat the tomato even after you spray that stuff on it.
Is that a chainsaw?
Yeah, it's a chainsaw. We're not going to turn it on. But what I want to talk about here is battery-operated power tools for your lawn and garden. Look, we all want to do better for the environment, and gas-powered equipment. Look at the power that this chainsaw has. We're getting into hurricane season coming up, and if you want to kind of cut those dead limbs around there, you get power out of this battery system.
This works for how long after you charge it?
You can do about 100 cuts with a charged battery. But what's unique about the system, this is from Stihl. They also make a mower, and this mower, the battery that runs that chainsaw, will also run this mower. Right.
And how many hours will this work?
So with a fully charged, this one takes 2 batteries, you can go about 45 minutes.
That's good.
Okay.
That's a lot.
Right. Now we get over here, Toro also does the same thing. They use a 60-volt battery like this, and this battery, it's a big battery, pops right inside the unit right here like this. Same thing, that battery will operate this mower up to 50 different tools. So think about this, no gas, no oil, no fumes. If you buy separate batteries, or let's say you buy, this is a blower here, a leaf blower, right? Same battery that you would use on this unit as well. Then you can just buy the tool only. Just like with electric cars, the money's all in the batteries. The batteries cost the most. And this thing has, they want me to blow some leaves, but
blow them.
All right, so then, for you. It's super powerful. So the idea is, with the organics, battery-operated stuff, we all want to be better for the environment. This is a really good idea.
Okay, well, can you settle one quick debate? How early is too early to mow your lawn and blow leaves in a weekend morning?
You mean like in the morning?
Just so you're not being rude to your neighbors.
I mean, I would say if it's a weekend, it would be 8 o'clock. It would be 8 o'clock.
So you can start the blower.
What time were you saying?
I mean, I think people sleep in. I would say, I wouldn't want to do it early, but I think...
See, I always work on a Saturday, so I'm up early, but I'm mindful of my neighbors, and in particular, blowers are pretty loud. The interesting thing about these battery-operated mowers, they're very quiet. And they even have lights on them, so if you want to do stuff at night, you'd come home late from work, you can get a little light on it.
But you can't do it too late either, because some of us go to bed at 9.
All right, hey, Luke, congrats, by the way. You have a wedding coming up with one of your beautiful children.
I do, our son Quinn is marrying the beautiful Amy in a week.
Awesome.
Congratulations,
All right, thank you, Neil. Okay, after working hard in the yard, you're going to probably want to kick back and relax.
Your weekend.